Anong reaction mo?
It's so funny. Kasi yung wala akong kalbo dito. Pero cute siya. Hindi naman nalata na mukhang kalbo. Cute siya. Intro muna tayo. Intro! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and please like and share. So today guys is may ipapabukas si mama na hindi ko alam kung ano laman ito. Pero buksan natin siya.
Running in circles, never leave me alone. Say I don't answer the messages or pick up my phone. Say we all need some time just to settle down. Won't you come around, cause I never can leave it alone. Tell me your stories but don't leave out the lies, cause I know.
I-open mo lahat. Na madamage na. Dahan-dahan.
Open.
Ay, na makuha na. Kuha na. Gali.
YouTube love you.
Masaktan. Ano siya? So,
Ano yan? Ten, ten. Ano nilalaman? Sino siya?
this is me.
Gani. Portrait.
Gusto na
First
po dali mo, eh?
portrait. Mao man na.
First
Di pa na naman ito na rin?
portrait.
Display ko for
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you saan?
Thank you sa nagawa nito.
Anong reaction mo?
It's so funny. Kasi yung wala akong kalbo dito. Pero cute siya. Hindi naman nalata na mukhang kalbo. Pero cute siya. And pwede to siyang isabit sa wall or I don't know kung saan. So, thank you for watching guys. I hope you like it. So, don't forget special mention. Thank you for my Ninang Jilu and thank you for Kuya Stephen. I like it. Thank you, thank you.